Welcome back, guys. This is Human Pokedex, and today we're going to be doing a little quick pack opening. We're going to be opening this new Train On 25th Anniversary pack to put on my binder, a Darkness Ablaze and a Vivid Voltage pack, and a Pikachu V box. Let me get this open up, and I'll be right back. Alright, guys, if you haven't liked, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'm going to open this jumbo pack first. I think they all come with the same packs. I mean, with the same cards, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Grookey, Scorbunny, and Swaddle. Sorry about the glare. Got the nice 25th anniversary, and it should come with 2 packs. Yes. Sun and Moon and Vivid Voltage. Alright. Well, let's get started with the Darkness Ablaze. Aiming for white code. Yep, buddy. Aiming for a Charizard. Let's go. Come on now. Energy, the Drio, or Fossil, Simsage, Paraline, Starly, Aaron, Rowlet, and a Dravikovich. Let's get to the voltage. White coat, white coat, white coat, white coat. Oh yeah, let's go. Pikachu. Energy, Beauty, Shuckles, Nuzleaf, Dribbler, Welber. Come on now. Electra, Fanfi, and a Duxcore. I mean, there were 2 white codes, but just not that great. Let's get to the Sun and Moon. White codes? You know? Oh, that's trash. Let's just do the regular. Alright. Yeah. My loose packs are pretty bad. Yeah, green code. Just figured. It's only good for the... Oh, look at that. I got another Duskcore. Let's hope that our shining packs are way better than that. You know? Energy. Floatzel, Rano, Russia Shield, Cuffin, Horsey, Cagnia, Morpeko. And that's pretty much it. So far, not so bueno. Maybe those Charizard packs in the back are going to be a steal. Energy, Gym Trainer, Luxio, Morpeko, Eevee, Rowlet, Shinx, Trappish, and a Luxray. Oh, look at that. Nice evolutions. Alright. The last 2 packs. Let's hope for the best. These are 2 Charizard ones. Energy, Eldegoss, Rusted Sword, Ball Guy, Snom, Spinnerack, Morpeko, Rowlet, Zigzagoon, and a Cramorant. I don't have the Zigzagoon, so I can dig that. I can dig that. And our last pack. Nothing good, nothing good. Oh, actually we got a amazing rare, I think. Nicklet, Trampridge, Yama. Yep, amazing rare. Now it's gonna see nothing shiny, but it look kind of good. So there we go, guys. Well, guys, that's it for us. We really didn't pull much out of all these packs, but we did get a nice pack opening going. Well, guys, let me not stop right there. Let me just get one more pack. Let me get this random Sword and Shield pack. Yeah, random. Oh, white code. Energy, Rock Candy, Lumberry, Celia, Frosty, Crossfire, Zigzagoon, Krabby, and a off of Sword and Shield. Nice. But that's it, guys. That's it for this pack opening. This horrendous pack opening. This is a Human Pokedex signing out, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.